Hi everyone. If you are looking for some inspiration for your YouTube channel, then you are in the right place. In this video, I am going to share 40 YouTube channel ideas that are perfect for creators. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 40, podcast. Number 39, business. Number 38, productivity. Number 37, gaming. Number 36, true crime. Number 35, spiritual. Number 34, hiking. Number 33, beauty reviews. Number 32, personal finance. Number 31, home decor. Number 13, tech reviews. Number 29, health and wellness. Number 28, travel reviews. Number 27, food reviews. Number 26, entrepreneurship. Number 25, education. Number 24, parenting. Number 23, nature. Number 22, sports. Number 21, news. Number 20, entertainment. Number 19, meditation. Number 18, technology. Number 17, motivational. Number 16, lifestyle. Number 15, pet. Number 14, language learning. Number 13, music. Number 12, history. Number 11, fashion. Number 10, photography. Number 9, craft. Number 8, finance. Number 7, book reviews. Number 6, beauty. Number 5, gardening. Number 4, dye. Number 3, fitness. Number 2, travel. And number 1 is cooking. And that is all. I hope these 14 YouTube channel ideas that I have inspired to start your channel and share your passions and expertise with the world. Remember, it is never too late to start something new and create content that you are proud of. With dedication and hard work, you can build a Thrive community on YouTube and connect with viewers for all around the world. So go ahead and give it a try. Who knows, your channel might just become the next big thing on YouTube. Good luck.